Going on everyone, welcome to RDH Code. So in this video, let's understand about the key expression when rendering a list of elements. In Svelte, it's a common practice and also recommended to provide a key expression for each block whenever possible. To specify the key expression in each block, opening within parentheses, we specify a unique value. For our second each block, this could be the name itself. Since it's unique within the name array, for our first each block, we could specify the name object itself. But strings or numbers are recommended since they allow the identity to persist even when objects themselves change. So we can specify name.first. If we now save the file and go back to the browser, there is absolutely no change to the list of elements being displayed. However, the key expression is used by Svelte to diff the list when there are data changes, or in simple words, the key expression helps Svelte identify which items in a list have changed, are added, or removed, and it plays a crucial role in handling UI updates correctly and efficiently. What I want to do is show you an example where the absence of the key expression can actually lead to bugs in the UI. I'm going to use Code Sandbox for this purpose. Now this example uses concepts in Svelte that we haven't covered yet. So let's focus on just the each block and the UI on right hand side. I will leave a link to this demo in the description for you to have a look at when watching the video. In the script section we have a constant called names, with 4 strings: One Piece, Demon Slayer, Attack on Titan, and Tokyo Revengers. So who doesn't know what's this? For them, these are the names of anime shows. By the way, I don't think you guys don't know about what anime is. I mean, come on, everybody knows about One Piece, eh? So in the template, we have the each block iterating over the list of names. In each iteration, we display the name, and we also have an input element to accept the last name as the anime ratings out of 10. As you can see this in the UI on the right hand side. Now along with this list, we also have a button called Shuffle, which simply shuffles the list of names in the array. So if I click on this button, you can see that the list in the UI is shuffled every time. Now let's enter some text in the input boxes. I'm going to refresh and then I'm going to rate these animes. And in advance, these are some random ratings, okay? So don't get offended. Well, that's another thing that One Piece is the best. So I'm gonna rate Tokyo Revengers 8, One Piece 10 of course, Demon Slayer 8, and Attack on Titan 9. Now I want you to closely observe what happens when I click on the shuffle button. You can see that names are shuffled, but the ratings don't shuffle. So we now have Demon Slayer 10 and One Piece 8, which obviously isn't what we expect, okay? Because it's not right. I click on shuffle again and the same things happens. This is the drawback of not using the key expression when rendering a list of elements. When you don't specify the unique key, Svelte simply patches the value. This behavior causes the bug when working with temporary state like the DOM state, or when adding or removing elements to the list. If we now add the key expression name, refresh, enter the ratings: One Piece 10, Demon Slayer 8, Attack on Titan 9, and Tokyo Revengers 8. And now click on shuffle, we can see that the behavior is as expected. The anime shows shuffle, but this time ratings of each anime stuck with them. So the key expression is pretty important when rendering a list of elements. A typical value to provide the key expression is the ID property in an object, but any unique value will serve the same purpose. I wanted to ensure you understand why we use that expression, and hopefully this video did that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.